everyone, this is RikiandMe, and today I'll be showing you how to make a toy using old toys and things that you have in your house. So let's go. So here we have our wooden round blocks of wood ready. I have some string here that I've used previously for to make Ricky's toys. I have this random thing I found in the kitchen to help me put the string through our blocks of wood. I'm not 100% sure what that black and yellow thing is called, but I'll put a little thing here and I'll say what I think they are. And I have Ricky's old toy. So guys, I've searched it and I believe those things are called pliers. Pliers. I'm very sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But as you can see, I'm taking apart the toy. All I need from it is the wooden little beads. And you know, if you don't have wooden beads, you can always improvise by using different materials. You can scrunch up paper, make your little balls, and just be creative, guys. So yeah. Colored toy in your house and your bird doesn't play with it anymore, then why not to give it a second life? And if I didn't use the old toy, the new toy would have been very plain, but using these colorful beads, I think Ricky would be more interested to play with it. Also, don't forget some wonderful scissors because we need them, and they are good to cut rope. So don't, just a little advice, don't cut the rope too long because it's going to be hard to put each bead at the end of the rope. So just make sure it's the right size for your toy, and yeah. Another good thing about using old toys is that you can get these, let's call them hangers. So then you can hang whatever toy you make into the cage. And if you don't have that kind of thing, you can always make a little loop using the string and so after you tied a big enough knot for the bead to stay on the string, use the little grey thing that I'm using, so something like that, to put it through. But if you're using paper, like little paper balls, then it would be best if you could use needle to poke the paper through with a string. As you can see, the first part is done and this is what it looks like, and the rest I'll just put on speed mode, and yeah, you can see how it works. Being honest, making these kind of toys is so much fun when your pet is sat next to you, singing and dancing, and you can like talk or listen to music together. And yeah, you just gotta put all of the love into the toy, make sure you know that your bird will like it, and using the toys they already have makes it even better.